Make $100 per day using ChatGPT and eBooks. Hello, and welcome to our video on using ChatGPT to create ebooks and make passive income through self-publishing. ChatGPT is a powerful language model developed by OpenAI that can help you generate high-quality content quickly and efficiently. In this video, we'll show you how to leverage the power of ChatGPT to create ebooks and earn passive income through self-publishing. Section 1. What is ChatGPT? Before we dive into how to use ChatGPT to create ebooks and make passive income through self-publishing, let's briefly talk about what ChatGPT is. ChatGPT is a state-of-the-art natural language processing model that uses deep learning algorithms to generate human-like responses to text-based inputs. It's capable of understanding and responding to a wide range of natural language inputs, including questions, statements, and requests. Section 2. Choosing a niche. The first step in using ChatGPT to create ebooks and make passive income through self-publishing is to choose a niche. You want to choose a topic that you're passionate about and that has a large audience. Some popular niches include health and wellness, personal development, and finance. Once you've chosen your niche, you can use ChatGPT to generate content for your ebook. Section 3. Generating content with ChatGPT. To use ChatGPT to generate content for your ebook, start by inputting your topic or a question related to your topic into ChatGPT. ChatGPT will generate a response that you can use as the basis for a chapter or section of your ebook. You can continue this process until you have enough content for your ebook. Once you have your content, you can edit and refine it to ensure that it's high quality and meets the needs of your target audience. Section 4. Self-publishing your ebook. Once you have your content, the next step is to self-publish your ebook. There are several platforms you can use to self-publish your ebook, including Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, Barnes & Noble Press, and Kobo Writing Live. These platforms allow you to upload your ebook and make it available for sale to readers around the world. You can set your own price and earn a percentage of each sale. Section 5. Promoting your ebook. Finally, to make passive income through self-publishing, it's important to promote your ebook. You can use social media, email marketing, and other strategies to reach your target audience and generate sales. Over time, as your ebook gains traction, it can become a consistent source of passive income. Conclusion. In conclusion, using ChatGPT to create ebooks and make passive income through self-publishing is a powerful way to leverage the power of natural language processing technology. By following the steps outlined in this video, you can choose a niche, generate high-quality content with ChatGPT, self-publish your ebook, and promote it to earn passive income. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.